Good evening, Miss Miguel. Today I want to present to you my website, and the website that I created is all about perfumes, and the title is Aromatic Perfume Shop. The theme of my website is explore our carefully curated collection of exquisite perfumes. And this portion is about my website, which is all about perfumes. Your finest fragrance perfume every day. At Aromatic Perfume Shop, we believe that fragrance is not just a scent, but an experience that speaks to the soul. Our passion for quality perfume drives us to offer a wide selection of luxurious and unique fragrances, carefully sourced from your own brands. Whether you're searching for a signature scent or special gift, we are dedicated to providing you with exceptional products and personalized shopping experience. In this portion, Miss, I put a perfume as a design, and I put also a uh, comments, little comments about this, and it gives me a great pleasure to contribute to the community with the finest perfumes in town and place to create lasting connections. And below me, I put my name as the owner. In this portion, Miss, of my website, I put 6 kinds of perfumes, and this is the best seller. The first is Velvet Whisper, second is Eternal Blossom, third is Midnight Aura, the fourth is Golden Sands, the fifth is Mystic Rose, and the last is Ocean Breeze. All these perfumes have a nice scent and very affordable for all the buyers. And this portion is I put a email address of the customers if they want to get exclusive discounts, and then I put a navigation button, and which is a subscribe button if they like my website. And this portion is about the Aromatic Perfumes fan speak, where the customers can speak about the perfume they buy, and they can comment here, Miss, if they are satisfied or not. And this portion, Miss, I created a gallery about the perfumes, all the perfumes that here in my website, Miss, in display, as you can see. And if the customer, Miss, is looking for my location, as is located in Cabayluan, and the store hours is open at 12 a.m. to 10 p.m. From Monday to Thursday. And for more reservation, Miss, I put my number in here, my telephone number and my cell phone number, and the website and email address, so that the buyers can send an email through my website if they want an exclusive discount. And for more information, and this is all the website that I created, Miss, and thank you.